Hey guys, back at it, go another vlog. This bird is nearly on the verge to dying.
Look at. Oh, hit him with a stick. Watch it.
No, don't hit him. Don't hit him.
I'm not gonna. He's breathing right there. You can see that he's breathing.
He's breathing. He's on the verge. No, don't hit it. Don't hit it. Please.
See, don't hit it.
Oh, he broke his foot. Look at his foot. He broke his foot.
You got me fucked up.
No, don't hit it. Don't hit it. We have to save this bird. We have to save this bird. Look at his foot.
It's being cracked. It's about to fall off. Here, should we use my sweatshirt?
Go and get my mom.
Yeah, use your day sweatshirt. Go get your mom.
Go get that red sweatshirt. We'll pick it up with that.
You.
I don't care.
Go get it. Oh my God. Stop being a
Stop being a bitch.
This bird. Yeah.
Come on, let's go get my mom. Yeah, because he needs help. Come on, Alex, let's go. Yeah.
Run. I'll tell you something happens.
Don't even touch it. That thing is rabies, bruh.
That nigga goes, is he so fucking like, nigga? I'm like, hell no.
Hello. Is it me you're looking for?
I want to get really close. I need to zoom out all the way.
These cars are gonna get run over. This is the closest I've ever gotten to a bird. That's what kind of bird? Stop!
Oh, that is creepy. That is creepy.
What kind of bird? What the heck happened to its brain?
Yeah, his legs like all. Pew, 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 pew. Yeah, his legs all. He can. His leg is broken, but.
You can still move it. Don't put your. He was playing with his beak and leg.
Yeah, I was seeing if his leg was actually broken. But what's? I don't think so.
Pick it up.
There might be something.
Here. Pick it up. Pick it up.
I'm getting some close angles to this bit.
Yo, someone get like gloves or something. We need to pick this thing up. We need to help this one.
Where are we gonna bring it to?
We're just gonna bring it up to the porch and do something from there. I don't know. I don't want this bird to die.
How the hell am I even gonna get up? Just easy. Try and push him on.
Yeah, push him.
Touch them.
No, not with your hand.
Use that
With the stick.
And just
Bird.
gently.
See, look at that. Look at that.
Fucking waddling.
Bird. I'm gonna name him. We have to name him.
I'm gonna
Just in case
name
he
him
dies.
Pablo.
Pablo. No, seriously. No, dude, that's too short. No. Let's go away.
He's about to fly. Dude, get the camera view. Get the camera view on him. He's gonna fucking fly.
He's like waddling. Be careful. Get him on there. Don't hurt him. Push him on there. It's like he's paralyzed, dude.
He is. His leg is snapped.
Oh!
Get out of the damn road, choo-choo.
Come on, dude. Oh my God!
His legs are
Come on, dude. Oh, he's grabbing onto it. Come on, get out.
Use the stick. Here, I'll record.
No, you do it. I'm not touching.
I'm not fucking doing that anymore.
No, come on, seriously, man. Come on. For the life of the bird. Come on, seriously. I'm dead serious right now. I'm dead.
That nigga broke
Wait, it's
all
not
his
bro.
legs.
Oh, it is bro.
Oh, is that his skin? Dude, that's his legitimately bone. That's his bone.
No. Look.
Oh!
It's trying.
Oh, no.
Record!
No, man, no. No, he's about to die.
No, he's flipping over.
Legitness, no. No, please don't die.
Still
Take a
breathing, bro. He's
stick.
still
Take a
breathing.
stick and flip him over.
No.
Get a stick. Here, the stick. The stick. Flip him over.
No, you do it.
He's still breathing, bro. He's still
Record.
breathing.
He's still breathing. Go, come on. Come on, we have to save this bird, man. I'll not know how to live without myself.
Is it dead?
No.
Yeah, it's dead. No, it's not.
Yeah.
No, no, now you can pick it up. Not with your hands.
No, his hair is still moving. See?
Come on,
Look at
bird,
that.
stay alive, man.
This one's not right.
Just put it out of his misery. Put it out of its misery.
No!
Hell no.
Put the stick in its neck.
No, I don't kill animals.
We have to. He's sitting there suffering.
Just get run over by a truck. So put him out of misery.
Seriously?
Here, I'll get a stick.
Get his stick and start beating.
So you're putting out. So I'm not putting
I'm
out.
not doing nothing.
You're doing.
Yeah, I will. I will.
I don't like that.
I don't fuck around. I don't kill animals. I don't fuck around with that.
It's still alive. It's just probably sleeping. Or it's probably...
His eyes are open, dude.
Is he blinking at all?
No, he's not fucking blinking. I think he's dead.
It's just close.
I'll do it. Here, record.
Oh fuck!
Don't.
Oh, it's dead. It's dead
That
already.
shit's dead.
What you do?
Just start smacking it.
You broke the stick on. Oh, bro.
Okay, wait for it to come
bad,
back. So do I. I can't do this. Record me. Record. This is gonna be so fucking hard. Rip. Sorry. Oh fuck.
Oh, you missed it. Oh, you almost hit its head.
What the fuck?
You know, just move him
You
out.
died now.
Move.
Stop, don't-
Yeah. Put it over him and then move him into the street.
No, put it over him, then whack
Like-
it because you have.
Yeah, then walk it.
Then whack it because you have nothing. Oh.
Okay. Oh no. Get it in the street, fam. Get it in the street. Get it in the street.
Oh.
Poor bird, man. I feel so freaking bad. Ah. Dude, I legit feel bad, man. We could have saved that.
I feel so.
We could have saved that bird.
It just rolled over and died.
Goodbye.
Bye, birdie.
Oh shit. Ah! No, man. What the fuck? What the fuck?
Its brain is out now.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck, man? What the fuck? What the fuck?
Its brain is out.
Ah!
Its brain's
What the